Are you facing a universal credit overpayment and wondering how to dispute it? Well, you've come to the right place. The Department for Work and Pensions, the DWP, is responsible for administering universal credit payments. They handle all state benefits except tax credit. While your local council can assist you in determining your eligibility for universal credit, the DWP is the primary authority you'll be dealing with after the initial referral. You may have received a letter from your local benefits office informing you that you have been overpaid universal credit. There are three main reasons why this can happen. Number one, the DWP made an error in calculating your entitlement. Number two, you failed to inform the DWP about changes in your circumstances that could affect your benefit amount. Number three, you provided fraudulent information to the DWP in an attempt to receive more universal credit than you're actually entitled to. Receiving a notice of overpayment doesn't automatically mean the DWP suspects you of fraud. In many cases, it's actually due to their own mistake. However, regardless of the cause, the DWP will seek to collect the overpayment from you. If you intentionally provided incorrect information or omitted important details to receive more benefits, you may face a civil penalty. This could result in having to repay the overpayment and potentially facing prosecution for fraud. If you've been overpaid universal credit, the DWP may assign a compliance officer to conduct an interview. Initially, this interview will take place over the phone, as they simply need more information to understand why the overpayment occurred. It's important to note that this doesn't imply the DWP already suspects you of fraud. However, if during the telephone interview the compliance officer becomes suspicious of your dishonesty or potential dishonesty, they may initiate a home visit. This visit usually signifies a full investigation into your financial situation and means, aiming to determine if fraudulent activity has taken place. If you neglect to repay the debt, several consequences can occur, including, number one, the DWP may request your employer to deduct payments from your wages or your salary. Number two, your debt could be passed on to a debt collection agency such as Lowell Finance. Number three, the DWP seeking a county court judgment, a CCJ, against the debt through the local court. Number four, bailiffs being sent to your home by the county court to collect the debt. It's important to understand that the DWP has strict policies and legal authority to collect owed debt. Ignoring a debt will not make it disappear. You will be obligated to repay it one way or the other. If you're struggling with debts, then there are a number of debt solution options available here in the UK. Some are free to use and others include fees, and each will have their own pros and cons. If you want to learn more about the solutions available, then we've created a really great form that you might be interested in checking out. Click the link in the description below to get started and answer a few simple multiple choice questions, like the total amount of your debt, how many people you owe, your living situation, and we'll connect you with one of our trusted partners so that you can find out more and take steps towards improving your financial situation.